how to buy Monkey, the wise monkey token on BingX. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now to be able to buy this token, make sure to open it on CoinMarketCap and click on Markets. After that, as you can see, this is the BingX and click here on Pair. After that, you will be relaxed to BingX account. Make sure to log into your account. As you can see, you have the option of buy, and you have under it two options: the market and limit. For market, just set how much you want to buy, or drag this to set how much you want to buy of the USDT. For example, if you want to buy like $100, you can see, so I don't have any fund, I can't be able to enter how much I want to buy. After that, you can click on buy here. Now after that, you have the option of limits. You can drag this to how much you want to buy, or set the percentage of your funds or of your USDT on your account to buy with. After that, you see here how much you will pay, and after that, click on buy Monkey, and you will be able to buy it. So this is how to buy Monkey on BingX. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.